Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do the course registration at ASU. ASU is such a big university and it is so difficult to get the courses that you want, and it's very difficult. It's like getting a Tatkal ticket during Diwali times or during holy times back in India. So just to give you a background, I have not missed any of the courses that I wanted. Like, I have been able to get all of them, and there have been few tricks, there have been few secrets that I and my friends have applied. Although, just to let you know, my friends do not appreciate that I tell everything on my channel. I open up all the secrets, but I just try to be loyal. I just try to make sure that I am true to you guys, and whatever I suggest you, whatever I tell you, is on the basis of my experience and is on the basis of what I have done or what I do. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do it, how to do the course registration, how to make sure that you don't miss out the courses that you want. And I have my ASU opened up on my screen, and let's straight away get to it. So this is your my ASU portal. Here you can go to class search. Class search is the place, or maybe is the web page, is the place where you can search for the classes that you want. Let's suppose I want to search for CSE classes. If there is a specific number in your mind, you can add it, you can type it over there and search your classes. So like I can see that for CSE there are multiple courses, like CSE 100 level courses, 200 level courses, 300 level, 400 level. So 100 is for your freshman year, 200 is for your sophomore, 300 junior, and 400 senior, and CSE 500 level courses is for your graduate. So since I'll be telling you for graduate, I mean, it's these things can be tried out for any level of courses, but since I am in graduate, so I'll be telling you for graduate. So let's search for 500 level course. We go here, we go to graduate level course, and there you go. There are these courses which are being offered for CSE 500 level. So let's suppose I want to add 1 to 2 or 3 of them. So you can add it from here. You can go here and you can see about this. Okay, these are the courses that I want. If let's suppose I want CSE 565 SVVT, this is the your number, class number, and this is your instructor. Do your due diligence, do your due research, whatever it is, back like when you have enough time, and then plan to take on a course. I would not suggest you to do something like take a course, leave it, and then take another course. That is something that will mess up your schedule, and you might have to take a course which you don't want, a tough course or maybe something like that. So this is class search. I'll go back to my ASU portal. I'm sorry. So now I'll tell you how to do it. You go to registration, you go to your add/shopping cart. So here you can see what courses you already have in your cart. From here itself you will be able to proceed to get the courses. From here only you will be able to delete the courses. So like I showed you the class search option. You can note it down, and you can then add the classes from here. Let's suppose if I want to add a class number, I'll take a random number. If this is the class number, I'll click next. So it obviously says that the class number entered is not valid for this term because it was just a random number. But when you add your particular class, it will simply add up to your cart. And now I'll go to the shopping cart, and I'm assuming that you have added 3 courses. Let's suppose you have to take 9 credits this semester and you've added 3 courses, the ones which you want. Now comes the main thing, I would say. Your courses generally open up at 12 a.m. on a particular date. The dates are something which you can refer to on class search, your particular course. There it will be listed down that okay, this class will have this much seats opening on this particular date at this time. Time is generally not mentioned, but as far as my experience, it generally opens up at 12 a.m. on that particular day. So you will be adding your courses in here. Then what you have to do is, like, you've added it. I'm I don't remember it exactly what are the options once you click enroll, but one thing that I remember, please listen to this very carefully. One thing that I remember is that there are two options before you finally click that enroll and your your courses are added to your schedule. Once you click here enroll, you will get something similar like this, not exactly this, but something similar like, are you sure you want to proceed? This is just an example, this is not the exact statement, please don't quote me on this, but there is an option that this portal asks you. So there you click OK. So let's suppose I click OK, and then after that you will get enroll or ready to submit, something like that, OK or something, some kind of approval is needed again. This is your final option, or I would say the final thing that you have to select to enroll in the class. So till here you have to make sure you do it at 11:58 11:59, by 11:58 11:59, and you are keeping a hold at that place, like it's 11:59 30 seconds, so you are holding on your cursor at that option and wait. So now wait till 12 a.m. As soon as your clock hits 12 a.m. 0000, click on that option immediately, without a delay. Click on that option immediately. And I have experience using Safari, I have experience using Brave, I have experience using Mozilla, I have experience using Chrome. So if it is possible for you, I would suggest you to have two computers at least, have them open and in those computers open different browsers, keep your ASU logged in those browsers. So like I keep four of them. I keep Brave, I keep Safari, I keep Google Chrome, and I keep Mozilla. So at that same time itself, I make sure I click all the OKs at 12:00:00. So as soon as I do that, any one of them definitely hits it and I get the course. So this is something that I revealed in front of you, and I know my friends would not appreciate this, but yeah, I was like thinking to upload something similar, this kind of video, because getting a course is tough. I can understand it is tough at ASU, and this is what I had to share. If you liked it, if you get a course, please let me know. If you followed this trick and you were successful, I would be very happy. And if there is something else that is causing problem, or you need maybe you need guidance on, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye. Do consider subscribing to the channel if you already haven't, and yeah, see you next week.